Times have changed and I realize I don't wanna be friends no more. Don't give up before we try, no more going back to the way things were. Let's break the rules, let us cross that line. Let me taste the faint whiskey of your lips on mine. Take a chance, bet on me, I dare you. Face the heat, no defeat. See your different sides in a new light, and I'll show you mine. Let's run the risk of getting hurt, it's the only way to do this right. Let's break the rules, let us cross that line. Let me taste the faint whiskey of your lips on